So I'm out on the farm again today, as you guys can see, and it's extremely hot. It's about 20 past 2 in the afternoon and it's 33 degrees Celsius. So I'm just looking for a little bit of shade to hide in because the sun is really getting the best of me, to put it in a good way. But I'm sitting in a small little camp on the farm where the farmer basically lets his sheep and cattle feed from time to time, but there's just so much ground squirrels in this specific field. So I'm going to try to see if I can lower the numbers ever so slightly. Obviously the farmer don't want me to outshoot them. I'm just here to control their numbers. And today I'm going to use the BRK Ghost. If you've followed some of my previous videos, you saw that I fixed the rig up. It was leaking a little bit of air and it basically led to inconsistency and stuff, but it's all fixed up, very easy and simple to do, and the gun is basically shooting better than ever, to be honest with you. Now as you guys can see, I'm back on the Vanguard Equalizer 2 Bipods here. They are just phenomenal bipods, especially sitting in the field like this. It just makes it super easy to take aim and shoot whatever you're aiming at. So your part is just to read the wind and keep still, and hopefully you'll be able to smack something. So yeah, it's a beautiful day out here, so let's see if I can get a couple. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Oh, 175. Nicely done. I'll have to go pick it up before they drag it in. 175. That's a very, 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 very long way. Dead. Damn, I could hear that impact. 70 meters, 1 mile for the wind. Also at about 70 meters. Got that one. 70 meters. Got that one too. Man, oh man, that took 3 shots. The first shot, I think I held a little bit, not too much for too much for the wind, and I shot its jaw off. But luckily, I was able to get a follow-up shot, and the gun has more than enough power to take care of the business. So I quickly went to retrieve the male ground squirrel that I shot at about 70 meters, the one that I basically shot its jaw off. Now it's a pity that I got it in the jaw, but very lucky that I got a follow-up shot on it. It's just one of those things. Not all shots is going to be perfect. It doesn't matter if you shoot a pellet or a slug. That debate can go on forever. I mean, it happens in big bore or centerfire rifle hunting and bow hunting as well. Not all your shots will ever be perfect, and it's something as a hunter that you will have to live with. But just a quick one. I'm going to take a photo of this little guy and put it in just to show you guys. It's really in a bad state when it comes to its health. It's a very old male. Its hair is basically starting to fall out, and its condition just really looks very poor. So this is basically one of the reasons as well why I shoot them. It's because the numbers in this area, there's nothing that can control those numbers. Not the jackal that's running around here, not the farmer's dog. There are just way too many. So it's a good idea to take an animal out with this old genes in it, and which is in a very bad state like this. So I just wish that I got a better shot on it, but that's part of hunting, and that's part of life, you know. Like I said, not everything is going to be perfect, but at least you guys can see what I'm doing is for the right cause and not just for killing. So let's see if I can smack a little bit more. It's really hot, and hopefully the sun will start going down now and it will cool down a little bit. But yeah, let's smack a couple more. "115 meters, bang down." That was a great shot. And you can see it's kicking its legs. About 1 mil for the wind. Perfect shot. Oh, smacked him. Again, 115. What a shot. Got him. Nicely done. 117 meters, right in the head. There's another one there. Got him too. What happened here? So I quickly went to fetch the ground squirrels that I shot at 117, 115 meters around there, and some fine shooting from my side, if I can say so myself. This one was a complete headshot. What a beauty. This one was also a headshot, right through the ears, or just behind the ears. Perfect kill shot. And then I got this one as well, just below the head, right in the neck area. So again, some fine shooting. I must say, the BRK Ghost, can't complain about this gun. I honestly think the best mechanical air rifle Daystate Broadhawk has ever produced. I'm in love with this air rifle. Probably one of my favorites after my Red Bull Safari. We have a look at electronic air rifles. My Red Bull Safari would be the top one, and mechanical air rifles, the BRK Ghost. I don't think there's anything that can beat it. Got him. That's a little bit closer than 55 meters. Well, guys and girls, that's going to be a wrap for today. It was such an amazing day out here, extremely hot, but really tons of fun. Some cracking shots on these ground squirrels with this BRK Ghost. I'm so happy with it. It's such a nice air rifle to shoot, and I must say I enjoy every second with it. This will most probably be the last video for 2023 and will be posted most probably early 2024. So happy new year to each and every one of you watching this video. Thank you so much for your ongoing support. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully I can make more videos like this in 2024. So if you want to see more content like this, please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you can be notified with all the upcoming content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.